Hello everyone, welcome to this Learn One Anyone channels. So today we will discuss what is SAP project, what is the difference between support and implement project, and which one is the best. So let's start. So SAP project is the implementation, support, maintenance, upgradations of SAP company for any business to running their business. Okay, so the project basically having a different types like support, implementation, maintenance, upgradations, and migrations. So mainly we will focus on two types of project: development and support. Let's see, if you are working on support project, okay, or a support role, so you have to maintain the applications, customers issues, you have to enhance if it is already existing applications. If any bug would be there, so you have to enhance it, you have to fix it, you have to monitor it, you have to operation of a client or if you see projects. If in case go for the development projects, so in this development project you have to create, you have to design the code, you have to write the codes, you have to generate the reports. So these are the basically we have to uh, choose like developments, okay, in this development. But if in case, what are the major features in support and development? So in the support we have to fixing the issue, but in the development we have to design, we have to code it. Second difference, in the support you have to mainly operations of your applications, but development you have to create something like code or some design. Next difference, in SAP project, basically we have to, whatever the existing applications, you have to handling the incidents, but in the case of development you have to create the new applications, new design, new codes, you have to do it. The next is the pressures. Basically the support projects have the more pressures working process, but development have the medium pressures. Okay, so and which one the best for SAP consultant or beginner? So the support project, basically if you're a beginner, okay, you want to switch a career or you want to work with the SAP, so you have to start your SAP because so many things, okay, like if you're a medium, not expertise on that, then you should go with the support. If you're a advanced expertise, then you should go for the implementation and development projects basically, right? So these are the basically major difference. Apart from that, we have a migrations projects, like let's see, if you want to migrate or upgrade from ECC to S4 HANA or BW to BW4 HANA. So these are the basically we have depend upon the knowledge or expertise, you can choose the types of the project. So that's it for this, okay, and please follow and subscribe this channel, and definitely you can comment if in case any query. Thank you so much. Bye.